In Yarmouth town there lived a man. He kept a tavern down by the sand. The landlord had a daughter fair, a pretty little thing with the golden hair. And won't you come down, won't you come down, won't you come down to Yarmouth town? Oh, won't you come down, won't you come down, won't you come down to Yarmouth town? Well, to this tavern came a sailor man.
I'm Eoin Kelly. I play guitar, bouzouki and mandolin. I sing in English and Irish.
Everybody's buying baby clothes. That's the way that it is. There was a time when he and I were friends.
Our area mostly deals in roots music like folk, trad and blues, acoustic rock and Americana like alternative country, and we enjoy playing with people of all ages. I'm a performer and have been lucky enough to have travelled and performed at some major festival slots. Locally, I'm a music tutor and a session player. I still work with some seasoned hands and old friends, but I'm also welcoming new talent and projects.